Bumper beds from West Paw Design are designed to be washable. In this video, I'm going to cover some washing tips as well as how to reassemble the bumper bed after you've washed it. You can wash the bumper bed with the covers on or remove the covers as I've done here. If you have a washer or dryer that's known to be tough on fabrics or to snag materials, we recommend that you wash it with the covers on. The inner material is slightly thinner and can tear more easily than the outer material. Be sure that when you wash the covers that you have the zippers closed. If the zippers are left open, the teeth can get damaged. Washing cold on gentle cycle, and when you dry, make sure that it's on low heat or preferred air fluff. All right, well, let's assemble the bumper bed. We'll start with the center inside pillow. It's the easiest. We'll open up the zipper, lay it flat, grab the pillow, fold it in half, and then if you can tuck the one end under your arm, and then slide it on in. Make sure to get the corners in the corners. Zip it up, and it's a piece of cake. For the bolster, it's slightly trickier, but still not bad. We'll essentially turn it inside out and unzip it. And you'll notice that the seam is facing up. That seam's normally on the inside of the bed, so we've somewhat got it inside out there. I'm going to flip it around so that the sewn areas between the two open zippers is facing me. I'll grab that inside pillow, reach through that tunnel, and pull it on through. As you pull it through, it's great to give the fabric a little bit more support and just hold it right there. After you got it halfway through, as I've done there, you can tuck it into the zipper there. Pull up on the zipper a little bit, get it prepared. Start zipping it closed. Halfway through, you want to hold the two ends overlap just a bit, not too much. From there, again, the bumper bed's inside out, so grab it and just twist it in. Pull those wrinkles out a little bit as you go around. And then from there, you just tuck in the center pillow. Just like that, the bumper bed looks new again. It's ready for your best friend to come take a nap. Thanks so much, and I hope that's helpful.